Greetings and salutations. My name is David Duford, and you're watching Help for Seniors, the YouTube channel specifically dedicated to helping out seniors with financial solutions and ideas to make your life easier. And in this video today, I'm going to walk you through the 10 most important Social Security updates that are already underway or going to affect very soon. And we're going to cover exactly how they're going to affect you, your benefits, your taxes, your retirement age, and of course, your pocketbook. So let's dive in. Number one, end of paper checks by September 30th, 2025. So now most of you probably receive your Social Security or disability checks electronically deposited into a bank account or some sort of account. But still to this day, some seniors have still received their check by mail via an actual real check. But that's officially ending. Starting September 30th, 2025, all federal benefit payments, so that includes Social Security, the VA, and Social Security disability, must be made electronically. So that means you'll need to receive your payments through direct deposit, a Treasury-sponsored prepaid card, or a digital wallet. So the benefit to making this move is that it dramatically reduces fraud and delays in getting your money. But the truth is, seniors who don't have bank accounts will definitely need help in making the switch. So if you or a loved one still receives paper checks, call 1-800-333-1795, and that'll get you enrolled either in a direct deposit payment to a checking account or a prepaid card like Direct Express. Number two, My SSA portal upgrades 24/7 access. So starting July 2025, the Social Security Administration will offer round-the-clock access to the My SSA portal. This means you can now view or change your benefit information, replace any lost cards, download tax forms, update your address, and track your earnings history. Why should you care? Because you can do all of this without having to go to the SSA administration office or make a phone call. So if you've experienced long wait times on the phone or in person, this is going to be a huge relief. Number three, 2025 COLA or cost of living adjustment. As of January 2025, Social Security recipients got a 2.5% increase in COLA, which translated about an extra $50 per month for the average recipient. Now this increase is modest compared to 2023 and 2024, when inflation was higher, but still meaningful to fixed incomes. And based on current inflation trends, the projected COLA increase for 2026 is going to be around 2.7%, though it's still a little too early to finalize. However, beware, and this always seems to happen, rising Medicare Part B premiums are expected to eat into that increase. We'll cover that next. Number four, Medicare premiums are going up. So while not directly tied to Social Security, Medicare Part B premiums are deducted from your benefits. And in 2026, expect a hike of roughly 11 to 12% based on early projections from the Medicare trustees. And for the average retiree, that could mean another $20 to $25 out of your paycheck every single month. Number five, full retirement age has increased. So listen up, if you were born in 1958 or later, your full retirement age is now 67 years old. What that means is that's the age where you'll get 100% of your benefits. You can still claim at age 62, but expect a reduction in your pay by up to 30%. This phased increase in the retirement age is part of Social Security's long-term strategy of solving its solvency issues. Number six, higher earnings limits and tax caps. So in 2025, the Social Security taxable cap on earnings rose to $176,100, and that's the income limit for the FICA tax withholding. And if you earn more than that, you don't pay Social Security tax on the excess income. Also, if you're under full retirement age and still working, you can earn up to $23,400 a year without a penalty. Anything above that may temporarily reduce your monthly benefit. Number seven, Social Security Fairness Act, WEP GPO repeal. Hey, this is huge if you are a teacher, police officer, firefighter, or other public servant. The Social Security Fairness Act eliminated the windfall elimination provision and government pension offset starting in January 2025. What does this mean? This means you may now receive full Social Security benefits in addition to your pension, and retroactive payments for 2024 and early 2025 are being processed right now. And this affects roughly 2 million retirees. Make sure you check your My SSA portal or call SSA to see if you qualify. Number 8, overpayment collection rules updated. So in 2025, the Social Security Administration began recovering overpayments faster, with new rules allowing up to 50% of your check to be withheld if you were overpaid in the past. Previously, that cap was 10%. Now, they tried 100%, but reversed course due to the huge backlash they got. Now, you can appeal, request a waiver, or set up a payment plan if you're affected. But whatever you do, don't ignore the letters from the Social Security Administration. Number 9, enhanced fraud and ID verification. So beginning in 2025 of April, stricter ID verification requirements go into effect. If you apply for retirement or survivor benefits, you may need to, 1, appear in person at an SSA Social Security Administration office, or 2, present real ID, birth certificate, and proof of address. This is part of a fraud prevention upgrade following multiple identity theft cases. And number 10, SSA modernization and staffing cuts. The Social Security Administration is undergoing a digital transformation, moving from outdated COBOL systems to modern cloud tech. Also, phone systems are being upgraded at more than 70% of field offices. But over 7,000 positions are being eliminated as the Social Security Administration consolidates operations. So expect longer wait times if calling or visiting in person. And here's a bonus update, the senior tax deduction from the One Big Beautiful Bill. So starting in July 2025, seniors age 65 and older get a $6,000 standard deduction on top of existing deductions, thanks to the One Big Beautiful Bill. Now here's what this deduction can do. First, it can lower your overall taxable income, and 2, it can help reduce tax on Social Security benefits. Now be forewarned, this deduction expires in 2029, so take advantage of it while you still can. So as you can see, this year and next year are jam-packed with changes coming to Social Security, some good and some challenging. So here's what you want to do next to take advantage of all of the opportunities now made available. First, log into MySSA to update any of your personal information. Number 2, make sure your payment is now electronic. Number 3, plan for that dreaded Medicare Part B premium increase that's coming. Number 4, check if you are qualified to receive back pay from the WEP GPO repeal. And number 5, talk to a benefits advisor if you're unsure of what applies to you. And hey, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And one more thing before you go, I also run a life insurance agency. We help Americans in all 50 states plus DC with their life insurance needs that relates to taking care of final expenses, cremation, funeral expenses, income replacement. So if you're 50 or older or on a fixed income, you are the perfect people we're trying to help. It's very easy, takes 10 minutes or less to get a quote. We shop all the major carriers for you to get you the best combination of price and coverage. You can call us at 888-626-0439 or 888-626-0439. The link below if you would like to just click on that to submit a quote request or call us, and then we'll include links in the description and comments if you'd like to take advantage of anything we talked about in the video today. Thank you for your time.